Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Sultan Fazil Sregar. I am a student from the University of Bina Sarana Informatika, or BSI in short. I am here to talk about why smoking in campus area is bad and the question of vote for my English class. But before we get into that, I like to thank my campus teacher for all the hard work he has put into for our classes, on helping our basic English speaking and helping boost our knowledge. Anyway, continuing on to our topic of discussion on why smoking in campus area is bad. It is because many people will be bothered by the smoke that the cigarette makes, and probably it could have made some people to be sick because of the smoke that comes from the cigarette. Furthermore, I see the campus air to be a lot more cleaner if the people that smoke either just stop smoking or just smoke where they are allowed to smoke too. After all, most campuses had already stated that they prohibit smoking in their area, in the campus area. So people cannot legally smoke inside the campus area since technically they are breaking a law that campus made. Final message: if you smoke at the campus area, just remember that it is prohibited to do so, and you may cause people like a teacher, student, and probably other employee to be disturbed by your smoking. So please smoke somewhere else or just stop smoking. Hello everyone, and today we are going to continue with the part 2 where we will show the question word. Okay, first of the question word is the question word is a word that is used to question other people word that have a question in it and always ends with a question mark. Question word is often used by a person who is asking a question to someone else or sometimes to use to start a conversation. Exams Example of people asking question. Hello, how are you? When do you arrive? Which flavor do you like? Continuing continuing on the second part. The second part is how many question words are there? There are multiple question words, but today we will only be talking about 7 of them, which is 6 W and 1 H. For example, the word who is used to ask about a person and their identity. And the example is who is your friend? The second one is where. The word where is used to ask about a location or a place. For example, where is your house? The third one is when. The word when is used to ask about a time of event. For example, when is the party going to start? The fourth one, the word what is used to ask about a specific thing or object. For example, what is this thing? Number 5, why the word who. The word why is used to ask about a reason and explanation. For example, why are you all dressed the same? Sixth one is which. The word which is used to ask about a choice or two objects that looks the same. For example, which path should I take? And finally, number 7, how the word how is used to ask about way or something has done. For example, how do you know about my siblings? Second one example is why asking question is important. Other for starting a conversation, the question word is also mostly used for people exchange important information. For example, the teacher giving the student an important lesson, but the student didn't understand. So he asked the teacher a question about their lesson. A professor is making an educational video, but the viewer did not understand, so they asked the professor in the comment about the part where they don't understand. An old man is lost in the city and have no idea where is his apartment is, so he asked people for the direction. Second panel, the fourth panel is when do we ask some question to someone. We should ask question when do we ask question to someone. We should ask question to someone when they are done talking or when they haven't talked. If we ask them a question when they are talking, it means we are interrupting their speech. Okay, next panel is how to make question work. Formula to making question to work. Number one is question with auxiliary verb. The formula for question with auxiliary verb is word question plus auxiliary verb which is to be or do or have. And then we mix it with subject and the main verb and then we put in the question mark. For example, question with auxiliary verb is when are you leaving, where do they live, and what have they decided. The second one is question with modal verb. The formula for question with modal verb is the question word and then modal verb, subject, main verb, and then question mark. For example, who would he stay with? What should I do? Why should we read a book? And then the third one is question without auxiliary verb and modal verb. The formula for word question without auxiliary verb and modal verb is question word and main verb plus question mark. For example, who won the game? Whose phone rang? Who bought this? Negative word question. When submitting a negative word question, we can use the auxiliary verb do. When there is no other auxiliary verb or there is no modal verb, here's an example. Word question without an auxiliary verb and word question with an auxiliary verb. The word question without an auxiliary verb is who want ice cream, and the one with auxiliary verb is who doesn't want ice cream. Another example is which door open, and another one with auxiliary verb is which door did not open. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this short video and learned something from this video.